What's up, guys? So today I am going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to be adding lots of Roblox Chrome extensions to my Roblox. We'll see how it turns out after. Hold on 1 second. What was that? Oh man. Man. Turns out after. Okay guys, I'm back. I just threw a glass on the floor. Okay, so let's get into it. Hey guys, I found a lot. I found like 1,000,000,000 of Roblox Chrome extensions, and I'm afraid to look at my Roblox. Did it change? Wow, it did. What happened? Whoa, it changed a lot. Whoa, I like this. So let me move my face cam down here. Sorry guys, but I need to see this. There's like ads on the side, drop down menus. Drop down menus? There's like settings. What does settings do? I bet, what's that? It's the Roblox logo with a plus. Roblox plus settings. OBC, yeah. Catalog notifier. Wow. Duh, yeah. Okay. Create. We don't need to change any of that. Group notifier. Display roles on post, because why not? All notifications. I want to know all the notifications from my groups. Friends notifier, because why not? That one. Collectibles value on profiles, why not? Start notification? No thanks. Okay, I changed my settings around. Now let's check out other stuff. What do we have here? We have Roblox upload enhancer. Let me go to my group. I can't, I reached the max groups. So, what's this? Roblox plus on. So, my group is unidentified. Make sure to join. I'll leave a link in the links box. I can't point to it, so you'll see like an arrow right now. So join my group. We have some pretty cool members. We have some fans, customers. You can actually be one of these. Not administrator though. You need like an interview first. So, oh yeah. Let me check the catalog. What's new there? What's new there? Oh, should I buy this? No, I only have 6 Robux. Make sure to join the group. I'll give you another chance. I can't point to it. What? No, it didn't change. Whoa, the background changed though. Inventory. What's new in there? Nothing. What? What the heck? Oh my gosh, what's new in avatar? Nothing. Absolutely great. How about in clothing? Is there something new in clothing? Come on, how about hats? Oh, you can search. Okay, why don't I search? Can I get a Dominus? Nope. Aw. I don't know what outfits. What's in there? I never knew. Jenna's now coming in here with mittens. Hey. Wait. Catalog. All items recently updated. Huh. What's that? Ah! Sorry, I got water. Okay. Stop that. Oh, look, there's a sale on a donut hat. How is it not for sale, but there's a sale? What? What? Oh my god. It's for sale, but it's not for sale. What? Well, ooh, is this from a game? Oh, it's a toy. It must be from like a game. Skybound. Hey, look, my first friend. She's playing something. There's nothing. What's in Developer Exchange? Give me my Robux from my game, folks. I didn't get. Oh, who's playing? Show me who's playing. Ah, we got a person playing. Yeah, boy. Make sure to play. I'll leave a link in the links box. We got a person playing. I won't join it right now. Wait, but didn't it say 2 people playing? Yeah, it said 2 people were playing. But it's only 1 person. Huh. Should I shut down his server? Nope. I'm not going to. Anything new in create? Huh. Oh, how about Friends tab? Friends tab. Requests. Oh, I got some requests. Can we hit 100 friend requests? Please. Followers. I got a lot of followers. Following 29. Dumbscuttles Doe followed me. Eric the piano guy. Dr. Trey Blocks, Popcorn, Survives, McCoy, Realisty, my sister, Jenna's old account. Jenna's old account, really. Really. This is Jenna's old account. Whoa, look, it shows you their games. Model sales, 0. Clothing sales, 0. Only 1 place visit. Ah, she joined my group. Even though she wasn't there for when I created it. Ooh, make sure to join. I'll put it in the links down below again. Oh, this is kind of boring. Inventory search bar. Oh, Robux to US dollars. That one doesn't work. Oof. Oh, let me try that. I just open up a new tab. That doesn't work. I have an oof one where it says oof if you close out the tab, but it doesn't work. Upload enhancer. Let me try and upload one of my shirts. Store. I don't have any enemies, do I? No, I don't have any. Someone changed my description. You. Wait, maybe that's just the, I don't know. Whoever did that, I made that description special. Wait, let's see if we have any new members. Group info. Yeah, save. No, I do not. Yes, I do. Hey, scammers! 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 That's why I put it on approval, so that I can catch the scammers. I'm gonna leave you in my join requests forever. I'm not even gonna decline them. I'm just gonna leave them there forever. Well, that's kind of boring. I can't go to games. I can't go to games. Like, that's just bad. That's why I don't make any sense. Oh my gosh. So, that's such a ripoff. Game filter. Well, I can't even go to games. Site enchancer. That doesn't even work. Guest play. My gender. Huh. Billy Bloxer. Default guest. Betty Bloxer. I am a man. Then you just choose a game to play. Wow, that's cool. Okay, that's actually pretty awesome. You can just... Am I a guest? No, I'm not a guest. Why? Well, not really any of these work. Oh wait, I haven't tried uploading more than one shirt. Wait 1 second. Store. I need to go to my store. Yeah, why does it say unidentified? Oh, find your images. Oh, Roblox shirts. I go to my Roblox shirts. I have these awesome shirts. Oh, make sure to buy, sorry guys. Make sure to buy the new, TmAtS color shirts. We have like, hold on. We have a slime TmAtS shirt where people just threw slime on you, which is awesome. We have this white TmAtS shirt, green TmAtS shirt, blue TmAtS shirt, orange TmAtS shirt, and just remember that first video that we made? Go check it out in the links box. I can't point to it again. Go check it out in the links box if you haven't already. Donation. Always do those donations, cause why not? That would make a giveaway if we earn enough Robux in a week. Hey, whoa, that's cool. It gave me a notification. You guys probably wouldn't see that, but Jenna's now playing Meep City. It gave me a notification. Whoa, and look at that. It shows you the status of... I don't have to look over it. Oh, I got Popcorn's an administrator, if you didn't know. So she asks for shirts, I make them, and then she buys them, and then... This is, like, crazy. Look at this shirt. It was for one person. 25 sales? That's insane. Well, there's nothing much really to do, so I guess we need to go. Bye, guys.